Hi, what's going on, guys? I'm just thinking to teach you about the text in this class. Okay, we can apply the CSS on text too, so let's just start making the thing which I'm just telling. So right now I'm not using the div anymore. I'm just creating a p tag here, and this is the simple paragraph. Pretty awesome. This should be the capital, this, and another thing is I'm removing this div one, or not really important to remove, just leave this as it is and go to the browser and refresh. Now this is a simple paragraph as I just typed, so I'm just going back to the notepad and getting the p here. Okay, I'm not using any kind of class or the id here, just directly the p tag, and I'm starting to textifying, or actually the styling the text, by the way, whatever word you use, from the decorating the text. Okay, text decoration, and what the value I'm just putting as the text decoration. What is the text decoration is actually, by using the text decoration, you just don't need to use the u tag, u for underline. Okay, you just don't need to use the u tag for underline. Just simply type underline and save and go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that the text is underlined now. That means it's going pretty awesome. Go back, and instead of the underline, why not you just type the overline. So for the overline, why not I just create another one, and here I'm just creating some IDs, and in this ID I'm just creating the par2, the par2, and simply copy the ID and paste there the par1. Okay, great. Now the par1, and simply copy this and the par2, and for the par2 I'm not using the underline but the overline. So go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that this is a par1 which has the underline, and this is a par2 which has the overline. Looking awesome. Go back and just put up the create another one too, the par3, and you know that what I just need to do, the par3, and here instead of the overline, the simple line throw. Another interesting feature, spelling should be clear as I'm doing, and save and go back to the browser and refresh. Now the line throw is actually just like the strike throw as we did in HTML by using the del tag, but right now we just don't need to use the del tag anymore. We can do this by using this line throw option, the line throw value of the text decoration. And now what we need to do, we just need to go down, or just simply go there for the first para, and let's just justify the text. Okay, the text align, and I'm just putting the center for the par1, the text align center. Go to the browser and refresh. Now the text is in the center. That means it's working perfectly. Again, I'm going to the par2 and the text align right. Okay, the right is perfect. Refresh. Now the text is on the right side for the second one, para, the para2, and there I'm using the text align again. Well, I just don't need to do this because you know that if I just put the text on align left, so this is the by default value, refresh, and nothing happened because this is already on the left side. So this is the time to learn the text transform, the another one, text transform. Spelling should be clear, transform, and then what I'm just putting here, and just simply typing the upper case. Interesting what the text transform can do. Go to the browser and refresh. Now all the text which is in center, just why, because I just applied the text align, it's the uppercase now. Just why, because I just used the text transform. Perfect. For the par2 I'm using the text transform again, transform, in the lowercase. Okay, so do you remember that we just used the T as capital? So go to the browser and refresh. Now nothing happening. That means something's wrong there. The text transform, well, this is almost perfect. Something's wrong in there. Why it's not working? Refresh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Actually, this one is the second para, the para 2, the para 2. I just forgot about that. I was just thinking that this one is the second, but this one is the third one. By the way, now you can see that the T is small there. However, there the T is capital, but there it's in a small letter. That means it's going perfect. And this one is the normal, but I just don't like its normalization. The transform, okay, text transform and capitalize, pretty awesome. It can capitalize each word. It means this, from this paragraph, this will, the T of this and the I of is, D of T, the T of the, S of simple will be capital. Refresh now. You can see that the T, I, T, S, P are capital. Just why? Because capitalize each word. So all these transformation, I hope you understood. But we can learn something more interesting by adding some more things. I'm going to the first para, which is in the center. I'm just applying the word spacing, and I'm just applying the 10 pixels as the word spacing. Now I'm just talking about this one, the first para. Refresh now. You can see that there is a huge space between these words. If I just put the 20 pixels and refresh now, you can see that the space has grown up. Okay, you can put the 50 pixels, whatever you want. Okay, now this is the word spacing. Something more you want to learn? I'm going to the pair 2, and for the pair 2 I'm just applying the line spacing. Pretty awesome. Oh, sorry about that, not the line spacing, the letter spacing here. The letter spacing, perfect. Yeah, go there, and I'm just putting the 5px right now, and go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that there is a big space, not really big, but a space between the letters, not the complete words. This is the letter spacing. If I just put the 10px, now focus on this one and refresh, now you can see that how much space each letter has. Now going awesome. Now something more, there it is, the line height. Okay, I just forgot about the line height, by the way. Now just 2, what the mean of 2? The double of the height which is already has. Refresh now, you can see that it got a little height. Well, to see this in a more perfect way, I'm just applying this one on the pair 1, the line height 2. Refresh now, you can see that the line height has been increased. Okay, not the space between the two lines, basically the height of this line has been increased. This is called the line height. 20 and refresh, too much, as I was imagining. By the way, we need to learn some more things about the fonts. Basically, now the text is enough. So guys, stay tuned, and in the next class we'll learn about fonts. Goodbye.